Hello students, welcome to my channel. So our today's topic is Linux operating system. Before moving to this topic, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and hit on the bell icon. So whenever new video will become, so you will notify it. So without the delay, we will start our topic, which is Linux. So first, we will understand what the Linux meaning is. First thing, the Linux is the operating system. Now, what is the operating system meaning is? Whenever you are opening whenever you are opening laptop, so you are finding out something, you are giving the instruction, you are using the internet, so who's working behind it? So who is communicating? Means you are searching, you are giving the command by your keyboard, and at the behind something is happening, and suddenly a file is open. So who is working on behind it? That is called the operating system. So our Linux or the operating system communicated between the hardware and the software. Okay, I hope this operating system part is clear to you. So now we will switch to the Linux. So first, Linux is an operating system or kernel. We can call it the kernel also, distributed under an open source license. Open source license means it is easily available. You can freely download it. Its functionality is same like the Unix operating system. The kernel is a program which are called the heart of the Linux operating system that take care of the fundamental stuff like letting hardware communicate with the software, which I give the example in the starting key. How the hardware, whenever we are giving the command, we are searching something. So how the hardware means we are giving the command by the hardware, saying keyboard, mouse, etc. So how the hardware is communicating with the software. Okay, so now what is the part of the hardware? CPU, memory, hard drive, pen drive, floppy drive, all are considered as the hardware. Okay, now, what is the operating system? Which type of operating systems are there? Windows, Apple, OS, Linux. In present time, we are mostly using the Apple and the Windows. And what called the end user? End user means we. We are giving the command. So here you have able to understand the operating system is work between the hardware and the end user. Okay, the operating system is communicating it here. Okay. Now, why we need a operating system, we will understand by the example. Every time you switch on your computer, you see a screen where you can perform different activities like you are writing it, you are browsing the internet, you are watching the video, you are listening any song, whatever you are working it there. What is that make the computer hardware work like that? Means how the computer know ki this person give this command, so who is behind working? So there's the operating system. So how does the processor on your computer know that you are asking to run any mp3 file? Mp3 file means the audio file. Okay, so well, it is the operating system, or we can call as a kernel, which does this work for us. So I hope now you understand why we need a operating system. So to work on your computer, you need an operating system. You are using one as you are read this. Right now you are also reading it, or maybe you are listening to me. So that time also operating systems work. Okay. So now you may have used popular OS like in present time, which are popular is Windows, Apple. Okay. But here we will learn what is Linux is and what the benefits of it other than the others operating system. So what are the features in Linux? First, it is the open source software. Okay. You can easily modify it by your programming languages. Second is the Linux operating system now offer millions of programs, application to form. Most of them are free. You can easily download it. Once you have Linux installed in your system, you no need of any antivirus. How secure it is. Okay. Linux is highly secure system. More so, there is a global development community constantly looking at ways to enhance the securities more. So with each upgrade, the OS become more secure and robust. Robust means more secure and more strong. Now, the Linux is the OS of choice for server environment. See, server where all the data are installed. Okay, environments due to its stability and reliability. Mega companies like the Amazon, Facebook, Google use Linux for their servers because it is the most robust and the security. A Linux-based server could run non-stop without a reboot for years off. And so by this, you can understand how important this operating system is. Okay. Now we will see what are the differences between the Linux and the Windows. First, we read it that it is an open source software, so user can change source code as per the requirement. But in the Windows, it is not a open source, so we can't able to change it. We can't able to modify it. Second, Linux is very secure. Just now we read it. It is very secure. It's easy to detect the bugs. Means any error is there, we can easily detect it. We can fix it the bug. Whereas Windows has a huge user base, so it becomes to target of hackers to attack Windows system. Third is Linux runs faster even with the older hardware, whereas Windows are little bit slower as compared to the Linux. And Linux peripherals. Peripherals means connecting device, keyboard, mouse that are called in Linux language we are calling as the files. And in the Windows system we are calling this as the devices. Okay. Now, Linux files are ordered in a tree structure. Means in a tree structure the files are saved. But whereas in the Windows the file is stored in the forms of the different folders like C drive, D drive, E drive, right? And in Linux you can create a same name of two files, but it is not possible to create same name of two files in the Windows. Okay, in a same folder. So means here you can easily understand how secure the Linux is because of the same name, how he will identify okay, this is the this file the person and the user is asking. Okay, and Linux you would find the system and program file in different directories. Whereas in Windows, whenever you are downloading any program, it's directly switched to the C drive. So these are some differences between the Linux and the Windows. This is the basic of the Linux operating system. If you want this type of more videos, put thumbs up in the comment section. And if you want to learn the languages of the computer, surely describe it in the comment section. I will make the videos for you. Okay. I hope this part is clear to you and you like that video. Okay. We will meet you in the another class. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.